Welcome back to Dan of All Trades. Today we are inside our house and we are working on our furnace. We're going to be replacing our furnace blower motor right in there. Gotta take this big box off here. Your blower motor right here. This is what pushes all the air through all your vents and heats the house. This one, in a minute, this is gonna try to start up and you're going to hear the motor trying to go, and it's not going to be moving. So what we have to do is remove this unit here. That's going to slide out of there. We're going to get that motor off of there, get a number off of there, replace that, and reinstall it. And I think you can hear that. You hear that? That's the motor. It has power to it. And it's trying to kick on. I don't know if you can see in there. You see that fan moving real slow. That's the motor trying to turn that fan, and it's not able to do it. Okay, now you need to take this whole unit out so then we can get to the motor and take that out separately from the housing. This one has a bolt, a little screw up there we're going to remove, and then this thing will come out of there. Here's our plug for our motor. You'll have a plug like this, or you'll have wire nuts on these wires. So you'll have to disconnect the harness wherever that's at. And before you start doing any of this, make sure your switches, power, and everything is off. So let's start first with that bolt. So now we want to take off these bolts here, and your fan has to come off of the motor somehow. So there's a nut right here, a bolt. You're going to loosen that up. Your shaft from your motor is going to pull out. The fan will stay in the housing. Loosen that nut up on the back side, remove all these. It's going to come straight out. And your fan will stay in the housing. Motor comes out, and what we are going to be after is numbers on this thing so we can go on the internet and find a new one. Okay, you got the new motor in, we got it mounted. Flip it over, and don't forget to install your fan on the pulley on the hub here. Tighten down your set screws there. The motor shaft will have a flat spot right here like that. That's where that set screw is going to tighten right up onto that. Okay, your new motor should come with the same color wires, but the ends might be different than what you need. As long as it has the same color wires, I'm going to show you what we're going to do is we're going to cut these off, and then we're going to splice our end onto these new wires, and we'll do that next.
They're all the same color. Oh, are you doing a video?
Yeah, video.
I don't have my shirt on.
Here's our end that we need to put onto our new motor. This is what came off our old one. This is plugging into our furnace. We put some butt connectors on the end here, and then it's all color coordinated with the wires. They'll be the same colors on your new motor wires. We're just going to cut those and then splice these ones in. Some of the motors will have a extra ground wire coming off it. Just put it onto any screw on the housing if yours didn't have one. It doesn't really matter where. And then there's your end all hooked up. White to white, red, red, black, black, blue, blue. All color coordinated. We're ready to reinstall it now. Reinstall. Ours just had the one screw up in the corner. We'll reinstall that one and we'll plug it in.
I'm gonna give Handy J a shout out for helping you out with this.
Have your stuff on. Handy J.
This plug only goes one way.
Plug it in. Flip on our switches. We might have to turn the thermostat on. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so our blower motor's running right now, which that's what it did last time. Once our heater ignites, it'll heat, and then our fan will come on, and we'll see if that works this time. There we go, that's much better. Alright, that's it for this video. We'll give a shout out to Handy J. He helped us out on this video. So make sure you go to his channel, watch some of the stuff he's working on. And like always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.